If you're a first-time home buyer buying a home using a VA loan, you might be walking away from lower mortgage payments, even lower out-of-pocket costs, and better VA loan rates without even knowing it. In this video, I'm breaking down where you can get the best current VA mortgage rates, why you should consider buying a new construction home, some inside scoop about Veterans United and choosing your real estate agent, and the top 6 mistakes VA home buyers make and how to avoid them. I'm Tamasia, the new construction queen, and if you're eligible to buy a home with a VA loan, this video is for you. Let's jump in. First, let's talk about where you can get the best VA mortgage rate and why new construction is such a solid option for VA home buyers. Number 1, 0 down, and the builder often covers your closing costs. With the VA loan, you already get 0 down payment, and right now builders are also covering thousands in closing costs or extra upgrades, which means you bring little to no money to the table. Buying a new construction home literally means 0 down. Number 2, lower mortgage payments. Right now, most, if not all, builders are buying down your interest rates. I've seen VA home buyers get rates as low as 4.99 or even lower. That means saving hundreds per month on your mortgage compared to a resale home with higher mortgage interest rates. And based on your VA rating, you'll pay even less, if nothing at all, on your property taxes. It's a win-win-win. Number 3, everything is brand new and warranted. I mean, roof, HVAC, plumbing. No surprise repairs after you move in, and you have someone to call if something weird happens, like the airflow in the bedroom. But not all new construction homes offer the same mortgage rates and closing cost contributions, even when using their preferred lender. That's why I love helping buyers to run their numbers and keeping up to date on what's going on in the new construction market, so that you know exactly which homes to tour and what the estimated mortgage will be even before stepping inside. Now, you can 100% go with your VA lender and even Veterans United when buying a new construction home. However, I recommend truly comparing and doing what's going to be best for you. Can I tell you a quick story? I got a call from a newly married couple relocating from Chicago to Georgia for work and buying a home with his VA loan benefit. He was already approved and adamant on using his lender, even though the home for sale in Locust, Georgia had a 4.99 fixed interest rate. He was paying all of his closing costs. At first, he did not want to talk to the preferred lender. It wasn't until he saw the out-of-pocket costs and the estimated mortgage at the current interest rate that made him reconsider. He decided to go with what the builder was offering and save $20,000 out of pocket, and I'm so glad he did. Why pay more for the same home? I linked his story above. Now that we know where you can get the best VA loan interest rate and the benefits of considering a new construction home, let's discuss the top 6 mistakes VA home buyers are making and what to do instead. Number 1, only talking to Veterans United or Veterans United Realty. Veterans United is a big name, but they're not your only option. The preferred lenders I partner with offer lower VA rates, fewer fees, and faster closings. And when you're buying a new construction home, since the builder is paying for most, if not all, of these fees anyway, when they contribute to your closing costs, it truly is a win-win. Either way, always compare. Number 2, choosing the wrong agent. You are not required to use the agent that's recommended to you from Veterans United Realty or when you're searching online. You can work with whatever agent you feel most comfortable with and who you feel confident can provide you with the guidance and support that you need. Yes, they should be a VA experienced buyer's agent who can understand the nuances of buying a home with a VA loan. And remember, when you buy a new construction home, you get a team of people working on your behalf to get the keys to your new home. Number 3 is going to be shopping backwards or touring homes and looking at homes online without knowing what you can afford. Even with no down payment, you do need to know your approval amount, monthly mortgage payment, and what incentives you're eligible for, which will vary based on the interest rate. Number 4, thinking that VA home loans cannot be used for new construction. As you can tell, you can obviously use a VA home loan to buy a new construction home. And in Georgia and in Florida especially, many builders love working with VA buyers. You just need to know how to find the right home, the right incentives, and work with the right team. Number 4, thinking your credit has to be perfect. One of the biggest myths I hear right now is my credit is not good enough. But VA loans are more flexible than most people think. You do not need a 700 plus credit score, and many lenders approve scores from 580 to 620 because your credit report and credit history is more important than your credit score. Plus, builder incentives can still apply even if you're improving your credit. If you're not ready yet, guess what? We can build a plan to get you there. Number 6, thinking it's too early to talk to someone. Even if you're just getting started, still looking, working on credit, it's never too early to get the right game plan in place, and that's literally what I'm here for. So, if you're VA eligible and thinking about buying a home, I want to encourage you not to guess. The VA loan is one of the best ways to purchase a home out there right now, and when paired with the right new construction home for sale, it truly becomes a wealth building move. I mean, buying a home for basically nothing is an amazing way to buy a home. Now that you know all of this, what do you do now? 2 steps I'd like to recommend. Number 1, the Get in Position to Purchase Bootcamp. This is for you if you know you want to buy a home, but you're feeling overwhelmed, unsure, or stuck trying to figure it out on your own. Even if you're just looking, just getting started, or you're really not sure where you stand, you are exactly who I created the Get in Position to Purchase Bootcamp for. Guess what? It's free, it's online, and to learn more and hold your spot, I'll put a link down below in the description. But number 2 is let's talk one-on-one and get your new home game plan. Together, you're going to understand your VA home loan benefits, know how much home you can qualify for, and even get an estimated mortgage payment. We're going to handpick the best new construction homes for sale that you love, get all of your questions answered, and feel confident about your next steps. And finally, put together a home buying game plan and work together step by step until you get those keys and beyond. Whether you're ready right now or just looking or still working on credit or just want to update about what's possible, that is what I'm here for, and I am happy to help. Here's a few things I want to encourage you to remember. Number 1, you don't have to settle for current market interest rates when there are lower VA loan rates available, which could mean a lower mortgage payment even at the same purchase price. Number 2, this could truly be a zero down home buying option. Not in all cases, but most, because the builder is going to be covering your closing costs. Number 3, you get to work with your own trusted agent. And when you work with me, the new construction queen and new construction house hunters, you get a one-stop home buying shop. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe to stay connected and be the first to know when new videos are released. Comment down below any questions that you have. Once again, I'm Tamasia, the new construction queen. And in the meantime, here's a few more videos for you to enjoy.